Hey guys, welcome back. So, this one, we're going to the studio bomb. And I recorded this video before going to the studio about versus the basketball. So, remember I said something I'm going to make something for tomorrow? So I'll upload this video today, and I make this video today, and I'll upload it tomorrow. So, let's unbox it now. So, let's unbox this now. This is a Piggy. I got this one because it was on Walmart. And I got this Clowny because, I don't know. Let's unbox this now. Ooh, it's like it's broken. What's this right for? I don't know. Let's check this, open this thing out. Get this thing here. Get this hammer. Oh! Drop this. Here's Grammy. What's this? I got this one. Oh, this hammer. What's this? A code. Scratch out. I'm gonna keep this little box over here just to be safe. These crap. What's this? Look at this crap. Ooh, they have muscles. Why don't you do like this? This curly hair. Cool. Now let's unbox this. Ooh, they have another code too. Action figure. Yeah. Again. I don't know what this is. What's that? Is this a light or something? Or is that a TV? I don't know what's this. Another code. Save this. I'll save it for this one. Just to be safe. I'm gonna put it in the bag somewhere. This one. Let's open it. It's a bag. This is with her. Sorry for that. Left something right here. Did it do like this? Let's try the bats. Can't open this. Ooh. So this, I like this. So for me. Open this. I think I'll open this.
¿Por qué?
I use my teeth right here. It's because I want to do something else. Almost there. Did it. I used the other. So thank you guys for watching and subscribe. And you want to play Piggy, you can play Piggy Book 1 or Piggy Book 2. So bye.